So hello everyone. In the last video we have discussed some equations, how to solve equations in our chapter simple equations. Some simple equations we have learned how to solve them, how to check. But in this video we are going to discuss something very important, that is the statement type questions or word problems. How to solve, how to set up a equation, how do we set up a equation, and how do we solve a equation. This is the thing we are going to learn. So let's start. Also your exercise 4.4 is there, that is the exercise we are basically going to solve, because all the questions are there, statement type. Okay, so see, if a question is there, the first one, add 4 to 8 times a number, add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. You get 60. Add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. Now, how do we set up a equation? See, basically these things we have also learned in our 6th standard, है ना. 6th standard में algebra chapter में भी हमने इस टाइप के questions किए हैं. But how to solve? Let's try to do. The question is saying that add 4 to 8 times a number. 8 times a number. Just go on this one. 8 times a number. Now you don't know, na? Which is the number we have to form 8 times. किस number का हमें 8 times करना है? You don't know. So let us take, let the number is x. I'll say the number is x. Okay, let the number is x. Now the question is saying, देखो, we don't know the number, that's why we have taken it as x. हमने उसको x मान लिया. Now 8 times the number, 8 times of x, 8 times of x according to question, ATQ. I am writing ATQ according to question. Okay, according to question. 8 times a number, that means 8 times this x. 8 times this x means 8 multiplied by x. Whenever times is there, that means we are multiplying, na? 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So 8 times a number, that means 8x. Added to 4. देखो इसमें 4 करना है, add 4 to 8 times a number. इसमें क्या add करना है? 4. Then add 4. You can see, add 4 to 8 times a number. Add 4 to 8 times a number, and what you will get? You will get 60. We have formed the equation. देख लो, equation बन गई है ना? We have formed this equation. Add 4 to 8 times a number. Add 4 to 8 times a number, you will get 60. So 8x equals to how much? 60 minus 4. If we are solving, now we are solving the equation. This 4 is in addition, it will go to the subtraction on the right side. 8x equals to 60 minus 4. So 8x will be equals to 56. 8x equals to 56. 60 minus 4, 56. So now x will be equals to 56 divided by 8. Why? This is in multiplication. It will come to division. 8 1 ja, 8 7 ja. So x equals to 7. That means what? The number is 7. The required number is how much? 7. 7 is the number we are trying to find out. देख लो, 7 8 जा कितना होता है? 56. 56 प्लस 4 करने से ही तो 60 आएगा. 8 times a number. 7 8 जा 56 plus 4, you will get 60. Okay, you can check your answer like this. Okay, these kind of questions we are having in this exercise. Okay, so one more I'll solve for you. Suppose G part I will solve. Try to solve the other parts whenever you will get time. Try to solve it. Anwar thinks of a number. Anwar thinks of a number. Now we don't know na Anwar ने कौन सा number सोचा. Anwar thinks of a number. So let Anwar thinks. मान लो अनवर ने जो नंबर सोचा वो y था. Okay, Anwar thinks of a number, let it be y. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है, if he takes away 7 from 5/2 of the number, 5/2 of the number. देख लो, if he takes away 7 from 5/2 of the number. Now come to the according to question part. What is the 5/2 of the number? मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा y से, बिकॉज अनवर ने, हमने क्या देखा है, हमने उसको एज्यूम किया है ना कि अनवर ने क्या नंबर सोचा है, y. सो 5/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई y, 5/2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई y, 5/2 y माइनस, नाउ ही टेक्स अवे 7, उसमें से उसने क्या किया, 7 माइनस कर दिया. वट एवर नंबर ही हैज़ थॉट, जो भी नंबर उसने सोचा उसने उसमें से उसका 5/2 किया, मीन्स 5/2 ऑफ y. देन ही सब्ट्रैक्टेड 7, एंड हाउ मच ही इज गेटिंग, ही गोट द रिजल्ट एज 23. The result he got is 23. So now let's solve it. Solve the equation. Equation we have formed. So now solve it. 5/2 y equals to how much? 23 plus 7. See, this is minus, so it will move here, plus 7. 5/2 y equals to 23 plus 7 is what? 30. 23 plus 7 is what? 30. So y will be equals to how much? Y will be equals to, see, this 2 is in division, so it will go to the multiplication part. This 2 is in division, it will go to the multiplication. 30 multiplied by 2, and this 5, it is in multiplication, so it will come to the division. So 5 1 ja, 5 6 ja, that means y, the value you are getting is 12. That means what? अनवर ने जो नंबर सोचा था वो क्या था? 12. You can clearly check. देख लो, 5/2 of 12, 2 6 जा 12, 6 5 जा how much? 30. 30 में से 7 गया 23. Try to watch the video on repeated mode. समझ आ जाएगा. Try to watch it every time. Just try to watch the video in repeated mode. Okay. One more part I'll do for you. Let's be E part. Let me solve E part also for you. Okay. Then Munna subtract thrice the number of a notebook he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. Now see what is given. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. 50 में से subtract किया है. Now let the number, again, the number of notebooks he is having, total notebooks या जो भी number of notebooks he is having, x. Now what he has done, he has taken 3x and subtracted from 50, thrice करके 50 minus 3x किया उसने. You can check in question what is given. Munna subtract thrice the number of notebook he has from 50. 50 में से thrice the number of notebooks he had subtracted. 50 में से thrice the number of notebook. Okay, that means 50 minus 3x, and he is getting 8. Now what we are having, now check, minus 3x, I'll keep it here, 8 minus 50. This 50 is in plus na, it is having plus sign, so it will move right side minus. So minus 3x equals to 8 minus 50, how much he is getting? Minus 42. Why minus 42? Because 50 is having negative sign and it is the larger one. It is the, ये बड़ा है ना, so that's why minus 42. So x equals to what? Minus 42 divided by minus 3. Minus 42 divided by minus 3. Minus से minus cancel out. Now divide it. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. That means what? X equals to 14. This is the answer. X equals to 14. That means the number of notebooks he has taken, how much? X equals to 14. Okay, try to watch the video on repeated mode for everything, every information you need. Okay, try to watch it. Now let's move to some more problems, some more typical things. Second question, A part. Let's see what is given in second question, A part. You all are having textbook. Please try to open your textbook by your side whenever watching the video. Okay. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest mark plus 7. The highest score is 87. Highest score is given. Highest score is 87. It is given. Lowest we need to find out. Question में देखो, you can check what is the lowest score. What is the lowest score? Lowest we need to find out. Lowest हमें निकालना है. Okay. So the teacher tells the student the highest mark obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest. Lowest के double हैं, twice the lowest. Okay. Let us take, let lowest marks equals to x. Okay, lowest marks equal to x. Then twice the lowest, 2x, according to the question. It is saying twice the lowest. Lowest का double कर दो, 2x plus उसमें 7 कर दो. Add 7, 2x plus 7, you will get 87. So 2x equals to 87 minus 7. 2x equals to 87 minus 7. 2x equals to 87 minus 7, how much? 80, and x will be equals to 80 divided by 2. How much? 40. That means the lowest marks, the lowest score, how much it is? 40. 40 is the lowest score in that class. Okay, are you getting? 40 is the lowest score of the class, while 87 is the highest one. It is given and it is we have find out. We have done. Okay, now let's move to the B part. What is given there in the B part? In an isosceles triangle, you all know about an isosceles triangle. Okay, this is the isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. The base angles are equal. These angles are also equal. Okay. The vertex angle is 40 degree. This angle is 40 degree. This is the vertex angle. Suppose ABC is a, I'm saying this ABC, I'm taking ABC as an isosceles triangle. Suppose ABC is an isosceles triangle. In that angle, in this triangle, ABC as an isosceles triangle, angle B and angle C are equal. You all know isosceles triangle are having two base angles equal, and this angle is given as 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? तो बताओ ये कितना होगा? Suppose if this one is x, है ना? देखो अगर ये x है तो ये भी x आएगा. Let base angle जो हमें find out करना है वो x है. Let base angle equals to x. क्योंकि दोनों इक्वल होंगे ना भाई. अगर ये वाला x है देन ये वाला भी x होगा. You can clearly see this one x, this one also x. Then base angles equal to x. And what is the sum of all the angles of a triangle? Sum of all the angles of a triangle. You all know about it. What is the sum? It is 180. So, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means this x plus x, this x plus x plus this 40 equals to 180. Equals to 180. X plus x plus this 40 equals to 180. So 2x equals to, see, x plus x is how much? 2x. X plus x is 2x. And 40 will be subtracted from 180. 180 minus 40. So 2x equals to 140. That means 2x equals to 140 means x will be equals to 140 divided by 2. 2 7 ja, it is 70 degree. We are getting 70 degree. That means what? The base angles, how much we are getting? The base angles we are getting 70 degree each. 70 degree each. Okay. try to watch the video on repeated mode and place your book by your side. Okay, open your book by your side, open it, read the question, then try to watch the video, then try to solve on your own by pausing the video. Okay, you can pause the video to write or to solve something. Okay, let us see the C part. We are given with C part of the question. Let's see what is given in the C part. In the C part, we are given with Sachin scored twice as many as run as Rahul. Together, their run fell too short of a double century. Okay, see, two players are there, Sachin and Rahul. Okay, let Rahul scored y रन्स. राहुल ने y रन स्कोर किया, राहुल ने y ही किया. अब उसने देखो क्वेश्चन में, रीड करो क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से. सचिन स्कोर ट्वाइस एज मैनी एज राहुल. सचिन ने क्या किया है, ट्वाइस. राहुल ने जितने स्कोर किए हैं ना, तो सचिन ने उसके डबल किए हैं, तो दैट मीन्स सचिन हैज स्कोर्ड 2y. इफ राहुल स्कोर्ड y, दैट मीन्स सचिन स्कोर्ड 2y. एंड टुगेदर मीन्स दोनों का सम करने पे, मीन्स y प्लस 2y दोनों का सम करने पे, हाउ मच दे स्कोर्ड, टू शॉर्ट ऑफ अ डबल सेंचुरी. यानी कि 200 में से 2 कम, 200 में से 2 कम, 2 short of a double century. It is given 2 short of a double century. That means 200 minus 2. So y plus 2y, how much? 3y equals to 198. Let's cancel out. Y equals to 198 divided by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja, 3 6 ja. So how much y you are getting? Y you are getting 66. Sorry. Y you are getting as 66. That means what? Rahul had scored how much? 66. Rahul had scored how much? 66. सचिन का कितना आएगा? सचिन का आएगा 2y, यानी कि 2 multiply by 66. How much? 2 6 12, 2 6 12, 132. That means Sachin had scored 132, whereas Rahul had scored 66. That is the thing we need to find out, and in this way we are going to solve all the equations. So please try to watch the equations, okay, very carefully. Try to watch the video on repeated mode and try to solve the problems on your own also. खुद से solve करना है. Okay, I want you to solve, I'm giving you a question to solve the remaining question of exercise 4.4. exercise 4.4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में ना बहुत सारे पार्ट हैं, A B C D E F. Some parts I have solved from question number 1. You try to solve B part, C part, D part, B, C, D. All these parts try to solve in your what? Notebooks, and send me the answer in comments. So I will be able to know that who are watching this video. Okay, that's it.